What's going on, everybody? So today I've got a couple things that I want to get cleaned up on this engine and start moving forward with everything. I've got a couple things to clean. I want to get the heads cleaned, the block cleaned, the crank cleaned. I got some new, I got some cleaner, so we'll get working on that stuff, get it kind of getting ready for reassembly, and then hopefully we can start making some moves forward on this. It's been a little bit. I need to start plugging away at it and getting it done. I'm ready to drive my car. I saw a Subaru drive by the other day and I'm ready to drive my car. So we're going to start cleaning on stuff, getting things going again, and hopefully start assembling something. Hopefully I can clean it all and maybe get it assembled. So we'll see how far we actually get today, but anyways, we'll get to that. Clean it, maybe take some things apart, fix some things. We'll see where it's at, and we'll take it from there. Stay tuned. So I'm out here cleaning on these heads, and I got the idea to just go look at the old pistons and measure the old ones compared to the new ones. And I got to looking at the first one I picked up, and it's got a little problem with it. I don't know if you can see that crack right there. That thing's broken. It has a cracked ringland. I dodged a bullet because there's no scarring in that piston. That was really close. So I got it pulled out. There's the chunk that was missing. There's actually a rib right here on this little lip that kept it inside of the rings. And you can see the big old hole that it left behind. That could have been catastrophic, but luckily that little lip right there held it all the way in long enough for me to get it out. You can see that it wasn't running very long because there's no carbon built up behind it. It's actually only oil, which probably is from my hands. That was really close. Well, I'm done cleaning a bunch of the parts. It's starting to rain here now, so I can't really work outside too much. But got a couple things cleaned. I got half the block and one of the heads cleaned. The crank undone, the connecting rods taken off. The bearings don't look bad at all. The piston, glad we caught the piston. I'm glad I got new pistons. Cleaned all that stuff. Disassembled it, got it ready to go. Now we need to start working on the other side. I gotta go get some more cleaner and work on that. That's pretty much it. We're just cleaning up, making sure everything's nice and clean, getting all the old gunky oil and other debris out of it, and making sure that that stuff's all cleared up. And then we should be able to start reassembling stuff. One thing that I'm waiting to try to do is the valve guides. I have new ones, having troubles getting the old ones out. I tried tapping on it with a hammer real quick and it was not coming out at all. So I might be taking those to a machine shop to have them pressed out. I don't have a press, so there's no way for me to take them out. But maybe I watched a couple things, and maybe I saw a guy pull them out by threading in a bolt and putting a socket in there or whatnot. That might be an option, but I'm gonna go try to check to get a machine shop to do it, because they'll do it right and they'll set it all and make sure that the new ones are in there right. The only thing is I work 7 to 6 o'clock at night, and the machine shop's only open 8 to 5, so I don't have any time to make it down to the machine shop and talk to the guy. So maybe I'll call him on Monday, get a plan figured out on what we can do with this, because I also might want to get it tanked. I'm cleaning it and it's not coming out quite as good as I wanted. I'm gonna want it spotless and make sure that all the journals are cleaned out. I've got most of them cleaned out pretty good, but it's not the level that I want to be at. So yeah, maybe I'll have them tank it and do those valve guides. I can put everything else back together. It's just plugging parts back in, lapping the valves and that sort of stuff. But I can't lap the valves until it's cleaned. I can't super clean it, and I can't put the valves in until the valve guides are in. So I'm kind of at a standstill where I'm just cleaning stuff, prepping things for paint, fix things, and figure everything else out that I need to go to for the next step. So we'll be cleaning on this for a little bit. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.